Today I'm going to talk about the understanding of layers and staying organized by using them quite wisely. So, with this, I'm Shivangi and you are watching Presets Girl channel. Welcome to Mastering Photoshop in 30 Days, Day 2. So, I have opened up my Photoshop on the device and open a photograph, and you can see here I have edited it quite a lot like this. So if you don't see the layer panels here, you can go to window and click on layers like this and it will be visible to you. So with this, if I click on the right side, there's the hamburger menu. There's so much things to do with layers like new layer, duplicate, delete, and much more. So right now you can see I have a background, group 1 and group 2. So if I open the group 2, this kind of effect, group 1, this another kind of effect, and if I open the eye of both, there is a much nice one, the combination of both. What did this group do? If I click on this arrow icon before the folder icon, you can see it expanded view and there are many other things to be done inside, and I can control each one of them, like what layer I want the effect or which one I don't want. I can just make toggle this view with the eye icon that you can see I'm clicking on. It's opening, it's visible to the effect is visible. If the eye is off, the effect is not visible to us. So with this way, I'm not even making any direct effect on the photograph. These all are saved quite precisely within each layers, and the whole layer is also grouped in different groups. So this is much more professional, much more clean look to get whatever I want just on a click of 1 or 2, and I can anytime bring back my own photograph in the Photoshop by toggling off the view of other groups. This is the photograph that is clicked, and this is the first effect, and that's the another. So you guys should work with layers and be super organized with this quite easy to use fun way layers in Photoshop. So if you have any comments, do drop them in the comment section below, and if you find this helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and bell icon to never miss the video update.